In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate of this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and choose Display. After that, scroll down again, tap on Refresh Rate and set up Default or Custom. If you wish to choose Custom, you can also tap on Refresh Rate and click one of those options. I will go with this one, so when I click and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Redmi has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!